Bore da pawb, a chroeso I sesiwn Ffit yn 5 newydd. Mae'n dydd Iau heddi. It's Thursday today. Welcome to a new Ffit in 5 session. Mae gyda ni 5 gweithgaredd. Chi'n nabod y rheolau erbyn nawr, ond mae gyda ni 1 gweithgaredd newydd. We've got 1 new exercise. So na dangos I chi sut I wneud na wedyn. I'll show you how to do that a bit later on. So paidwch poeni beth yw hwnna. So, pawb yn gwybod y rheolau erbyn nawr. Newch siŵr bod digon o lle gyda chi. Bod chi'n gwisgo kit addas. A cofiwch hefyd bod botel o dŵr neu diod. Remember your drinks bottle, remember the space you've got, and remember that you've got some tidy kit. We'll get the clock switched on now. There we go. Right, bydden ni yn twymo lan. We're going to start the warm-up, okay? So pawb de dachrau jogo ar spotyn. Off ni. Let's start warming up by jogging on the spot. Cofiwch am rheolau, breichiau yn symud, tra'n yn dod off y llawr. Our arms are moving, and our feet come off the floor. Dyn ni ddim yn neud yn slow bach, not slow. Cadw ffens, da iawn chi. A ni'n mynd I cyflyngu. Let's go faster. Faster, go, 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 go. A slow down, da iawn. Nôl I jogo. Back to jogging. Well done. Ni'n mynd eto, we're going to do that again. Cofiwch, os chi'n gwylio YouTube neu Facebook, gwasgu'r thumbs up. Remember, doesn't matter where you're watching, Facebook or YouTube, that we hit the thumbs up. Ni'n mynd am tra'n chwym eto. We're going for fast feet. 3, 2, 1, go! Fast, 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 fast. Faster, go, 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 go! 3, 2, 1. Nôl I jogo. Da iawn chi. Breichiau mas, siglo bach. A fel bod chi'n cwtch. Like you're giving someone a cuddle. Okay. Ni'n mynd I codi'r pen ni'n lan a dal yn sownd. Lift the knee up and hold. A eto. Lan. A unwaith eto, one more time. Da iawn chi, reit. 5 gweithgaredd newydd. 5 gweithgaredd I newydd. Un gyntaf yw'r un newydd. Lunge a curtsy. A curtsy lunge. Rhif 1, na dangos chi'n munud. Rhif 2, squat thrusts. Tebyg iawn I burpees. Rhif 3, ni'n mynd I wneud, ni'n mynd I wneud codi breichiau. Okay, we're going to do arm raises. Rhif 4, penelyn I penglin, knee to elbow. A rhif 5, rhedeg mewn a mas, running in and out. Okay? So na dangos I chi gyda sut mae'n wneud pob un. Lunge a curtsy yw'r un gyda. So tebyg I lunge, ni'n cymryd 1 cam lan, fel lunge, ond yn lle fel la, ni'n rhoi y trad nôl. Okay? So we're going to take 1 step forward like a normal lunge, but instead of holding the foot there, we're going to bend it over and then go down. Okay, so switch coesau, 1 step mlaen, a wedyn coes na'n mynd mas, a lunge fel la. Okay? So I'll show you one more time. 1 step forward, like we're about to do a normal lunge. And as we bend down, this leg bends out. And we're doing a lunge and curtsy. Pawb yn hapus gyda hwnna. Okay? Rhif 2, squat thrusts. Tebyg iawn I burpees. Le ni'n mynd lawr. Fel fanno, coesau mewn a mas. A'n lle codi lan, ni'n cario ymlaen, neu coesau mewn a mas. Okay? So instead of standing up like a burpee, we keep on kicking the legs in and out. Rhif 3, codi breichiau. Okay? So ni'n esgus bod pwysau. Neu 1 mas fel la, lawr, 1 mas fel la, lawr. Once out there, and out forward, okay? Rhif 4, penelyn I penglin, knee to elbow. So ni'n iste lawr, fel sit-up, a byddai'n codi lan, mae penelyn ni yn cyffwrdd penglin. Back down, my elbow touches my knee, okay? A fel la yw penelyn I penglin, a rhif 5, rhedeg mewn a mas, ni'n neud hyn o blaen, ni'n jogo ar ysmotyn, coesau mynd mas, coesau mynd mewn, coesau mynd mas. Okay, legs go out, legs go in while we're jogging on the spot. Those are the 5. Pawb yn hapus, pawb yn twym. Ni'n mynd I dechrau cloc. 5 eiliad, un gynta, lunge a curtsy. Pawb yn cofio sut I wneud e. Off a ni, so step, plygu, lawr. Chi'n switcho, step, plygu, lawr. Okay? So step, flip behind, and then down. Okay? So it's like a normal lunge and a curtsy built in. Da iawn. Cofiwch bod ni'n switcho coesau. So step lan, coes mas, a plygu lawr. Okay? So we step forward, bend the foot back, bend down. Cymwch break bach, 30 eiliad ar ôl. Ni'n un peth eto. Same again, ni'n gwybod sut i'n neud nhw nawr. We know how to do them. Okay? Cymwch diod os chi moyn. 5 eiliad i fynd, lunge a curtsy, ni'n barod. Cam lan, flick, a lawr. Da iawn. Cam lan, flick, a lawr. Good. Okay, big step forward, flick, down. Well done, hard. Mae hyn yn galed. Oeddi sesiwn heddi yn mynd i fod mwy galed na sesiwn ddoe, no question. Is today's session hardest session of the week? Da iawn. 3 eiliad ar ôl, un curtsy bach to, a gorffwys, da iawn. 30 eiliad o gorffwys. Nawr, un nesaf, squat thrusts. So Teddy burpees, ni'n mynd lawr y llaw, down the floor, a ni'n cico coesau mewn, mas. Mewn, mas. In, out, okay? We don't get up in the middle, we stay down, ni'n aros lawr. 5 eiliad i fynd, lawr hynny. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1, off hynny. Mewn, mas. Mewn, mas. Good. Da iawn chi. Cariwch mlaen. Keep going, keep the rhythm. 10 eiliad i fynd. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. A cymwch gorffwys. Cymwch diod bach os chi moyn. Take a little drink. You need un peth eto. Same thing again. 5 eiliad. Lawr hynny. 5 seconds. Ni'n barod. 3, 2, 1. Off hynny. Mewn. A mas. Mewn. A mas. If chi'n moyn cyflymu, if you want to speed up, go for it. Okay? Mae hyn yn galed. Hanner ffordd trwyddo. Da iawn chi. We're more than halfway through. Well done. Gweithio'n galed heddi. 5 eiliad i fynd. 3, 2, 1. A gorffwys. Gweithio'n galed. Working hard. Cymwch dŵr ymlaen. Have a make sure you get a drink. Ein nesa, codi breichiau, arm lifts. Dach mas. Drwy ochr. Ni'n mynd lan fel hyn, okay? We're going to start arms to the side. And we go sideways the first time, okay? So 5 seconds to go, get ready. Arms down by the side. 3, 2, 1. Breichiau mas. A dala. A lawr. Breichiau mas. Dala. A lawr, okay? Arms up. We hold it for a second, and then down. Arms up. Hold. And down. Da iawn chi. Breichiau lan. Dala. A lawr. Breichiau lan. Dala. A lawr. 3 seconds. 1 left. 2, 1. A relax. Da iawn. Cymwch diod bach. Ail hanner. Second half. Breichiau yn mynd lan i'r front. Okay? Arms are going up to the front. Hold. And down. Ni barod i fynd. 3, 2, 1. Off yn ni. Lan i'r front. Dala. Lawr. Lan i'r front. Dala. A lawr. Well done. Okay? The arms go up out in front. Hold. And down. Da iawn. Lan. Dala. Lawr. Da iawn. Up. Hold. And down. Da iawn chi. Lan. Dala. A lawr. Da iawn. Un ar ôl. Up. Hold. A gorffwys. Da iawn. Rhif 4. Penelyn i pengli. Knee to elbow. Cymwch diod bach. A wedyn ni'n eistedd ar y llaw. Reit de. Pawb yn cofio lawr hynny. Na'r llaw. Eistedd lawr. Okay? Gofod nôl, awr bod ni'n plygu lan. My penelin ni yn cyffwrdd pen glin. My right knee touches my left. My right elbow touches my left knee. And we'll switch it over. 3, 2, 1. Lan yn ni. Touch. Lawr. Touch. Lawr. Da iawn. Penelin yn cyffwrdd pen glin. Lawr. Penelin yn cyffwrdd pen glin. Lawr. Elbow to knee. And down. Elbow to knee. And down. Da iawn. Cadwch fynd. Mae hwn yn galed. This is really hard. Da iawn chi. 5 beirniad i fynd. Digon am un bach to. 3, 2, 1. Sefyll ar llaw. Cymwch gorffwys. Ni'n mynd am un peth eto. We've got one more to go with them. Iawn. 5 beirniad. Pawb yn barod. Gofio lawr to. 3, 2, 1. Lan yn ni. Penelin i pendilin. Da iawn. Make sure those elbows touch those knees. Good. Elbows touching the knees. Da iawn chi. Rhaid bod yn cyffwrdd. Da iawn. Hanner ffordd trwyddo yn barod. Pump eiliad i fynd. Digon am un to. Falle 2. Un arall. A gorffwys. Da iawn chi. Lan chi. Cymwch diod bach. And a drink. 1 exercise to go. Rhedeg mewn a mas. In and out running. So ni'n dechrau jogo smotyn. Wedyn mae'r coesau yn y lled. A wedyn yn cil. Okay, so we start by jogging on the spot. Our legs go really wide. And then they come back in narrow. And we're still jogging, okay? 5 beirniad i fynd. 5 seconds. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1. So ni'n dechrau y jogo. We start by jogging. Coesau mynd mas. Coesau do mewn. Coesau mynd mas. Coesau mynd mewn. Okay? Our legs go out. Legs come back in. Da iawn. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Narrow. Da iawn. Mas. Mewn. Mas. Mewn. 10 geiriau i fynd. Da iawn. Mas. Mewn. Mas. Mewn. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Cymwch gorffwys. Oh. Dwi'n poethi now, I'm getting warm now. 1 set i fynd to, 10 geiriad, yr un peth, same thing again. 5 seconds to go, pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1, off a ni, so ni'n jogo as matyn. Coesau mynd mas, coesau dwnnw mewn. Coesau mynd mas, coesau dwnnw mewn, okay? So jogging on the spot, our legs go out wide, they come back in narrow. They go out wide, back in narrow, a cadwch fynd. Da iawn. Mae hwn yn llosgi coesau. This should be hurting your legs in a good way. Okay? Muscles are working hard. 3 eiliad. 2, 1. A stop yna. Da iawn chi. Cymwch diod. Sesiwn galed bore yma. Mwy o boeth fi wedi bod. It's the warmest I've been. So ni'n cymryd amser i oeri. Okay, we're going to cool down. Have a little walk around, a little gap. Okay, make sure you keep to your own space. Yn lle eich hunan. Cerdded o gwmpas. Gobeithio bod pawb wedi mwynhau heddi. Hope you've all enjoyed. Sesiwn galed heddi. Oedd yn mwy galed na sesiwn Stefano neu sesiwn Rhidian. Is it the hardest session we've had this week, or was Stefano's session or Rhidian's session much more tough? Let us know. Comment on the video if you want. Rwy'ch gwybod i ni pwy ydy'r sesiwn mwyaf galed wythnos yma. Cofiwch bod chi'n gwasgu'r thumbs up hefyd. Remember to hit the thumbs up button if you've had a good workout. 1 lap arall, 1 more lap. Da iawn chi, am ni dachrau wneud cwbl o ymystyniadau, a couple of stretches, okay? So digon o lle, dachrau lan top, gwddwg yn mynd un ochr, a dala. 3, 2, 1, the neck goes the other way, and hold. 3, 2, 1, da iawn. Lawr y bola now. You're going to be mestyn un ochr. We're going to reach over that way and hold. 3, 2, 1. We're going to reach the other way and hold. 3, 2, 1. Nôl lan, back up, da iawn. Lawr y coesau now. Ni'n mynd i wneud dala un clos yn llaw. We're going to hold our leg in one hand. Bend it up behind and stretch. Just keep Dal arno bit, neu dal a clist. Trick back, a little trick. If you hold your ear, it helps you keep your balance. You pinch your ear nicely. Good balance. 3, 2, 1. Cofiwch siglo fe off. Newid drosto. Cofiwch, dal a clist. Hold your ear. Keep your balance. Trick back. 3, 2, 1. Siglo off. Da iawn. Ni'n benni off gyda ankles. So ni'n mynd lan a tiptoes. Up on your tiptoes. Da iawn. Dala fyna. Lawr. Nôl lan. Lawr. A nôl lan. Last one. A stop fyna. Da iawn. Okay. Gobeithio bod pawb wedi mwynhau. Cofiwch fori. Mae challenge newydd gyda Steffano. Chi'n cofio beth oedd y thema mynd i bod fori? Do you remember tomorrow's theme? Okay? A hefyd, gan bod ni'n agosau I diwrnod dydd Gwyddewin. We're getting close to St David's Day. Falle, os oes cennin gyda chi yn y gegin, neu gadre, dewch â hwnna mewn. If you've got a leak, bring the leak with you tomorrow because it's close to St David's Day. Ond, thema fori, chi'n cofio beth yw e? Fi'n barod. Na fe fi'n mynd I gwisgo fori. Chi'n cofio beth yw'r thema. Do you remember the theme? If I'm going to wear this t-shirt tomorrow. Okay, gobeithio bod chi'n barod ar gyfer sesiwn fori gyda Steffano. Gobeithio bod chi'n mwynhau heddi a welai chi wythnos nesaf. Diolch yn fawr yn gwylio. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all next week.